Vietnam is a remote market, it's far away, but I think it's a very potential market. We have 90 million people living in this market, and it's growing, expected to grow to 120 million people in the near future. It's growing in all dimensions: export, consumption, industrial production. So that also offers a lot of opportunities for European companies to go. And it's growing not only domestically, but also in terms of international globalization. So Vietnamese consumers get more and more appealed to Western products, to European products, quality and consumer habits. So that offers, as I said, a lot of opportunities, and would be encouraged to tap into this market, to have a look if it makes sense, sector by sector, industry by industry, and to find suitable partners for European companies, for Slovenian companies, to also make use of that big potential in the market. In all new markets, especially if they're so far away, you need some reliable partners on the ground to help you, to guide you, and that's what EU Vietnam Business Network is there for. It's an EU-funded project, not entirely, but to a big extent. So there is a structure in Vietnam on the ground to help you with your concerns and questions, and to guide you to the right partners to then go from there and have a starting point in Vietnam. It's a project for 5 years. After that, we hope to be self-sustainable. We would be there for your questions and concerns, and hope to help you and support you with your Vietnamese market entry.
Why to come to Indonesia? Because Indonesia is a very growing market. We have seen over the last year significant market growth based on the domestic consumption. 250 million are the potential consumers for all products, and as a developing market, Indonesia is growing step by step. Also, we see more and more foreign investors coming to Indonesia, investing significantly. Indonesia is very interesting also as a hub for exploring the ASEAN region, because located strategically between Australia and China, Indonesia offers many opportunities to explore the whole ASEAN region. That's why many companies are now deciding to have a closer look towards Indonesia. The EIBN can help all European companies by exploring the market. We offer first market consultation, business partner search, and also accompany the companies by establishing their own enterprises in the market. Our team with 7 European colleagues is happy to assist every inquiry, also from Slovenian companies. So contact us and we start the business.